Hello, everyone. Today we are going to see some of the ways we can earn money from YouTube, like a Donald Duck. Okay, so here we are going to start. And before starting, let me tell you now you have lots of opportunity where you can create your own videos. People will watch it and subscribe it. Also, they will going to make money for you. Okay, so let's start with some of the ideas. The very first idea we have is to create cake videos. So if you know how you can bake a cake, then you can make money. Okay, so it's not only if you know how to create a cake or bake a cake, you can create videos on how you are gonna eat it, what the reviews you can give to that different cake factories, like that. Okay, the next idea we are having is blogging channel. So in blogging channel, hey, wait, don't see that girl. Focus on what topic we are going to discuss or we are discussing right now. So in interviews, there is a general question, tell me something about yourself. But if you are having a YouTube channel, you don't have to do that. You have to tell someone about yourself. If you are doing that, you are okay to go for a YouTube channel with a vlogging channel. Okay, next idea we have is educational channel. So if you know anything, you teach other. If you don't know, learn and earn it, then you can create a videos or education channel on YouTube. Some of the examples of you can create your videos like tech. If you are having tech thing, then go for Angular JS. These many students are involving in current right now in the channel. And package you can get after completion of the certification, you can give this much package from the industry. You have Python share market. But if you are school level or college level, so focus on your studies, get a good certificate from your schools, colleges, and then start learning the technology thing. Next idea we are coming up with is gaming channel. Again, I'll tell, don't see that girl, focus on your aim. So now YouTube has opportunity which can give you money or generate money while you play. You can do online streaming, you can create the videos for the games, the latest games, you can explain how you are going to play or not. So you can earn money from there also. Next, if you are going to create a tech channel, do the unboxing. People hell like that videos who is going to give them unboxing or the real reviews for that tech machines. Okay, next idea we are having a fitness channel. My thought I will like to give you, that is, if you want to increase your approach, just be a coach. Doesn't matter, it is for fitness, for tech, for other fields. You just need to be coach others, you know how to teach, that's it. And you are ready for the channels. Okay, and you can earn money from YouTube again. Next, uh, that's it. Instead of asking yourself why you want to create money or why you are going to create videos for yourself, just try. Okay, so this is the golden thought from my side. Instead of why, just try the things. Okay, and last slide, if you'll see, I know you are going to hit a like button, like you are liking a girl. And if you want to share something like this, you can do it. Or if you want to subscribe also, then you can go and subscribe to this channel. Okay. So have a great day, everyone. Enjoy, like, so subscribe to the videos.